She has been ailing for some time in Iraq, leaving her family in anguish back at home.
Naam.
Sijui atako wapi. Ukiulizia kwa zile contacts amekuwa akitumia akikupigia, wanakuambia juu yako wapi.
Wanajibu yake alisasa, mimi hapa nilipo na wiki mbili tu, na wiki mbili hizo tayari naambiwa kazi yangu ya kunyonyesha mambwa.
But this disturbing video has caught the attention of Kenyans online. This lady, who allegedly traveled to Saudi Arabia weeks ago as an immigrant worker, is seen crying for help after being forced by her employer to breastfeed 2 puppies. She had just given birth in Kenya before leaving to Saudi Arabia to get some cash and send back home to care for her baby.
Jamani, saidieni nyesha maumba mimi binadamu jamani.
And you can ask yourself, before she was given puppies to feed, to breastfeed, what happened to her before this? What, grueling experience she went through? What problems did she see?
She's crying for well-wishers and the government to intervene and bring her back to Kenya. She's one among hundreds of Kenyans and their families that have been crying for repatriation.
Mimi hata Saudi ukaniambia nirudi siwezi. Life uko ni ngumu. Wanafanya watu madharau.
Even have others who have been arrested, prosecuted and jailed merely for raising complaints, for raising their concerns about how they are treated in those detention centers.
Ni kuzunguka. Susan anapelekwa kwa hii, kesho ako kwa hii, kesho ako kwa hii. Sometimes Susan anakuambia mimi ikiendelea zaidi nitatoka hapa if niko na nijirushe. Narudi na sister yangu hapana. Vumilia.
Kotu Secretary General Francis Atoli is now asking President William Ruto to take action and ban all Kenyan recruitment agencies ferrying Kenyans to work in the Middle East countries where they are treated as slaves.
I've said time and again that these agents of employment bureaus and employment agents in Kenya must be banned. They take our children to Saudi Arabia to die, to come back in coffins and so on. I'm appealing to President William Samoei Ruto's government to stop this menace of taking our children to Saudi Arabia.
Kotu was accusing some of the recruitment agencies of negligence as they are run by powerful people in the country.
Issue of creating so many employment agencies. Some of these employment agencies are run by our government officers, which complicates the matter for our young men and women who want to seek for jobs